We don't bullfrog no did they still Roger. Just like you sleep and drink on the bullfrog. Everybody are training it go shop, you know. You can't trick me this morning. Squaddy. You can't trick me this morning, you know. So you soon come back and then you hold a 5 pussy. Guys, you see? You have too much bodyguard. You see the one there front? I'm mama that, you know. Your phone? Me ask you a trade.
Eating orange. But me look so white. Me look so white. Me did black like a fall shit. When me did over here.
I dry off good. So yeah, sweat. How could I water make you feel like say yeah, sweat?
Lily, when we over here, you have your football, me black like a fall shit. No, me not black like a fall shit again. Me stay in the house every day.
Where'd you go?
I know, come here. When me come back over here, me go brown. Because me not come out the house. Me go brown. I know what I do, because me go black like a fall. Last night, this crept me on me name.
In the house.
Something crept me.
In the house when I was at
Look. Something crept me last night on me name.
I got up and get from after that is like too bouncy and me a shake up.
Jagga, the white bus that
You're a kid in my creek.
You are silent.
Yeah.
You are too silent. You are too silent.
Then that's how we went go.
Cambridge Dragon.
I was a kid.
Me say, I up a mom tell you. A birdie where it go. When the kid did up a mom tell you.
Up a
Manch. You forgot. Up a plantation. Yeah, Lily, you remember last night you said you got ask me, sir?
Hi, good. Oh, Sharon going to school. Where are they, Lotta? Alright. Yeah, mad thing.
I see that video there. But I put the camera on the people over the road. Expect Lotta, one boy did a shop up in the drive. So they go put the camera over there. Yeah! Brazil, yeah man, boss. Brazil. Link up the G. Can you ever see? Brazil. Man, catch your video with the boss.
Yes, I see that still.
Catch up your boss.
So what?
Come up here every day I come see.
What if you place flood out?
That was a
Nick, catch up your boss. I just video boss.
Yeah.
Catch up your boss. Yeah, easy at all man for be senior.
Not the man, woman.
I catch up your boss.
Woman.
Monkeys, man. Go on.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mercy. See the sea boss there. Boss.
Yeah. Where I go?
Today.
I beat you if you go about river.
We so
Una
good.
did say Sunday. Mesa did
Yeah.
say Sunday or Saturday. Me catch you know.
No.
Me I got evil tell Mesa saying it say Sunday or Saturday.
That a Melissa tell you that, so you
Yeah, and you did say Friday,
Oh.
gone. Friday.
Say.
No.
Listen what me say. Me say. This is what me say. When school girl they go carry on. You say if a Friday school a girl day, you say yes. Yo, Will want go out Friday. No, I'm not so.
But Mesa says Sunday. Oh, you're not going to the Sunday.
We in a June now, in a July we go. In a July.
We're not June.
We in a June.
You're done, spot.
To the June.
Man is talking about July we go. He says school. Like school can't leave you. To the Sunday.
To the Sunday.
Artist we come in a while ago, I don't know where artist run God.
Chop, chop, chop. But me not ears, guys. But see ears, huh? But me not ears.
But me not which ears?
See me ears, see that? But me.
Nobody put no bomb in your ears, but bomb in your ears. Where artist there?
Ganga doodoo.
Eh?
Ganga doodoo.
Oh God. Fire talk water. Water.
You got to piss up yourself today, that little boy.
Hello. What? No, sir.
Can you cook something? No, your daddy's making grilled cheese. Gross. Grilled cheese is not gross. I was talking about Dad.
Yeah, never sleep. Go straight.
Big old Timmy. Where's my grilled cheese?
That baby look like it a weird on your neck.
Ouch. You're so ungrateful. Get out of here.
Me tell yourself you make me shave you, you know, make me shave. Nick, me dey carry you so. Go on under you so, yes sir if you there. Look now, yes sir if you there. Watch there, you see to have you hold up your neck.
Yeah, take it back, chef.
Alright, watch out now. Yes sir, this way if you there.
In this school building, no one will be using phones.
So, look now. Right here so squaddy. Right here so if you there. And yes sir, you have to go so now.
Great, you too?
I bet you have to find Cambridge today.
Anyone else with phones?
Yeah, people you don't know. There in a barber chair, you know? Yeah. Big up my barber, you see it? I don't know nothing about trimming a hair, you see me? So you're not going to give me a shave, you know, you see it? Barber take time, no, man.
You can't talk, you know.
Why you move so fast on your printer?
Who a printer? This is what you do on the line up and also straight.
Where you pumping from? You will know what me I thought. Where you pumping and with this?
Oh, Jen, I'm going to pack your bag. I'll do a pack already. Next side.
Give me my video. Unless I choose kids are birthday.
You guys want to pass to the next grade.
Want to raise a blade to line you up?
Well, I no take time, man. You have to trim me so hard.
Make
Me
sure
never
say you
hear,
have your
me never
money.
hear a cool on your share.
Just make sure say you have your money on time then. What up your head? I'm not here at the hour, no up the shoe. A round shape you will give, a round line. Chin? You want it round? Look at some. Oh. Oh. Watch out. Set up.
It don't work.
You know, turn off. You tell us you have touch screen, so you have to touch it, make it come back.